Hi there, it's Tally from Bravo, and today I'm going to walk you through the Jewelry Estimator. This is how you acquire pre-loved jewelry. The Jewelry Estimator in Bravo will enable your entire staff to estimate jewelry quickly and accurately with no prior experience. Spot, diamond, and stone values are automatically calculated against your unique pawn and buy multipliers. The Jewelry Estimator is located here on the dashboard. You can start by describing the metal type, next the weight, also available in pennyweights, now the gold purity, then color. Now we have a metal estimate. Let's tackle some stones next. We have a single diamond surrounded by red stones. Select from the drop-down of cuts or scroll through the list. Choose from 5 colors and 6 clarities. Now enter the stone count. Then size by either total count or each. Now we have a diamond estimate. Notice the metal estimate went down. The stone weight was deducted from the mounting weight of the gold. Now for the colored stone, select the color tab, select from the drop-down of precious stones or scroll through the list, or quick pick the color here. Select the shape or match the picture here, and then enter the count, then size, again by total count or each. No value in red stones here, however, more stone weight deducted here. The last value for consideration is brand. Notice how Chanel has a brand value of plus 21%, while Pandora has 0. Brand can also be added in the next tab, additional information, if you prefer it to add no additional value. Our item is fully described, and here is the final estimate. Customer wants more? No problem. Bring in your customer now and take advantage of powerful insight into who is standing in front of you, how often they visit, and how profitable they are to your store. Now with the negotiated pawn amount in place, it's time to categorize the item. We make use of simple drop tree menus. No freeform and no typos gives you more powerful reporting. Additional information can also include damages, size, in this case a ring size, location for safekeeping, engravings, or any other notes you do not want on the pawn ticket. You can always add images by right-clicking your mouse within the black square and either pasting or taking a photo from your webcam. Lastly, depending on the products that you are using, you can toggle between pawn, buy, consign, or trade. Note if you do not do any of these transactions, these toggle buttons will simply not appear. That's it. Entering jewelry items into Bravo is simple, and this tool makes the process more efficient and consistent for both employees and customers. For more information, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day.